successful. You are a successful. Those who are watching that on social media, I speak grace. Let it be a portion. Let the blessing be a portion. Success will be a portion. You will never be poor anymore. You will never be poor anymore. Everywhere you are, receive the grace. Receive the grace to go up. May God put you somewhere where other people have never been. May God make you those who laughed at you. May God let you see somewhere those who never expected to see. May God remember you. May God do wonders for you. May God do wonders things for you. May God lift your family up. May God lift your children. May God grant you a business that is rich. Come out of a shameful business. Come out of the shameful. Come out of shameful. In the name of Jesus, I bless your life. I open your life. Come out of that. Come out of that. I open your legs. They tied it. They tied it.